According to people who study the environment, planet Earth is in trouble. The increasing population is demanding more and more energy, but almost all energy production degrades Earth's atmosphere with disastrous effects predicted. And some people may never get the energy they need. The greatest obstacle facing developers of all forms of renewable energy, or improving the efficiency of fossil fuel energy, is finding a cost-effective method for storing electricity. While governments have argued about the global problems, a team of scientists at the University of New South Wales has been working for the past 14 years on a revolutionary new battery, a low-cost, powerful and clean power source that has applications in transport and electricity supply. It has been called the Vanadium Redox battery. The research team leader, Professor Maria Skylas-Kazakos, explains how it works.
The vanadium battery is different from conventional batteries in that it uses two solutions to store energy. And most people are familiar with a lead-acid battery, and in a lead-acid battery you have lead dioxide and lead on solid plates or grids, and charging and discharging just involves a conversion of the lead from one form to another. In vanadium batteries, however, we have two solutions of vanadium. On one side we have a vanadium 2+ solution, and on the other side we have a vanadium 5 solution. In order to charge them up, we pump them through the cell stack where the reactions take place. So in the vanadium battery, the size of the cell stack actually then determines the power output of the battery, whereas the size of the two tanks determines the capacity of the battery. So like a conventional battery, to recharge a vanadium battery, you could simply plug it into a power supply and recharge it electrically. And if you do it like that, it takes about 1/10 of the time to recharge a vanadium battery as it would for a conventional lead-acid battery. But alternatively, there is also the option that you could do a mechanical refueling. So in the future, we would hope that there would be refueling stations around the city, and people would be able to drive into a refueling station, empty out their discharge solutions, and just pump in fresh solutions the way that people refuel their vehicles today.
This golf buggy in Sydney is powered by one of the prototypes designed for shuttle vehicle applications. It has been under test in the golf buggy for over 2 years without maintenance. Plans are underway to install it in a shuttle vehicle in the near future for demonstration at the Sydney 2000 Olympics. The battery also has the potential for storing electricity in parts of the world where supply grids are not in place, or where they would be uneconomic, such as the islands of Asia and the Pacific and China. Seeing the battery's potential, Unisearch Limited, the commercial consulting and technology transfer company of the University of New South Wales, has already granted production and development licenses to industry. Mitsubishi Chemical Company of Japan is spending about $11 million in an intensive effort to develop large-scale applications such as electrical load leveling. Thai Gypsum, a large broad-based company in Thailand, is also developing the battery for energy-efficient housing. Overseas industry already believes in the vanadium redox battery. Enter Pinnacle Mining, a company that was incorporated in Victoria in 1993 and listed on the stock exchange in 1994. Pinnacle has entered into an agreement with Unisearch to commercialize the vanadium redox battery technology. The Pinnacle agreement provides for worldwide royalty-free rights to mobile applications of the battery technology. Within 12 months, Pinnacle will raise $5 million more to continue to make the battery a reality. The company can, if it wishes, pay another $500,000 for exclusive rights to certain stationary applications in Australia and New Zealand. Pinnacle is fully committed to the battery. Dr. Malcolm Jacques has been appointed as the managing director and will work with one of Pinnacle's existing directors, John Sherd. Pinnacle believes that the battery is an excellent opportunity for Pinnacle and Unisearch, and of course Australia, to get in on the ground floor of a major industry with the technology that all the world needs. The vanadium battery. Power for the planet in the millennium.